Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to double tap to lock screen on your Android phone. So let's get started. First thing is we need to go ahead and turn this on. If we haven't done so, first thing you're going to do is go into your setting. Now, once in your setting on your phone, you're going to go ahead and look for advanced features. So you're going to tap on advanced feature. Now, once in advanced feature, you're going to look for motions and gestures. And after that, in the top section here, you see an option that says double tap to turn off screen. We want to make sure this is turned on. Now, if it's turned on, it's not working for you, just simply turn it off and on again. So once you have done that, we're ready to show you how that's done. So the way this works is you need to be on the home screen and then tap anywhere that doesn't have an app to do it. And then if you double tap, it's going to turn on the screen as well. So that's how you do it. Again, anywhere that's not an app. If you double tap, and you can see here, it just turns that off. And then you can double tap to turn the screen back on as well. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.